Samsung Galaxy Fold or the Huawei Mate X. Which one folds better? We'll find out in this video. Hey, what's going on guys, it's Shivam here. So Samsung just announced their new Samsung Galaxy S10 and along with that they also announced their new Samsung Galaxy Fold, which is essentially a phone that converts into a tablet just like a convertible car. So you get two devices packed in one. One is the regular smartphone and you can also turn it into a tablet when you need to. But the Samsung is not only one who is running in this race. Huawei at the same time surprised everyone with their Mate X at the Mobile World Congress. Based on the same concept, the Huawei Mate X gives you the functionality of two devices. There is a fully functional smartphone and an 8-inch tablet when you unfold it. Now both of them have the same concept of folding, but there are some key differences in their mechanism. The Samsung Galaxy Fold is an elongated device with 4.6-inch screen on the front, which acts like as a regular smartphone, but if you want to use it as a tablet, you have to unfold this like a book and you get a 7.3-inch screen tablet. Now when the device is closed, it looks like two Samsung Galaxy devices sandwiched together, and when you open it up you get a full tablet. On the other hand, the Huawei Mate X is a device with 6.6-inch screen on one side and 6.4-inch screen on the other side. Both of these screens are a single continuous screen, and to make it a tablet all you have to do is press this button on the back, which releases the screen like any old laptop hinge, and then you can unfold it from the back. This can give you a full 8-inch tablet experience when you need, and what I think is this is a better mechanism than the Samsung Galaxy Fold, because as you can see the 4.6-inch screen on the Samsung shows how first generation this device is. They were not able to fit more than 4.6-inch screen on the front of this device, but the Huawei managed to put a 6.6-inch screen and it looks like a regular smartphone. Now I'm not saying that the Mate X doesn't have any signs of first generation. As you look closely you can see that the screen of the Mate X is made up of plastic, so the screen feels very soft and it's much more prone to scratches. So both of these devices have their first generation genes, but other than that, if we talk about the specs of this device, then the Galaxy Fold has a screen size of 4.6-inch with a resolution of 840 by 1960 pixels, while the Mate X has two screens, one is 6.6 inches and the other is 6.3 inches with a resolution of 1148 by 2480 and 1536 by 2152 pixels respectively. And after the tablet conversion, we get a 7.3-inch screen of 1536 by 2152 pixels on the Galaxy Fold, and we get an 8-inch screen with the pixels of 2200 by 2480 pixels on the Mate X. Both have octa-core processors. On the Mate X we have Kirin processor, but it is unknown on the Samsung Fold. This is complemented with 8GB of RAM on the Mate X and we have 12GB of RAM on the Samsung Fold. As far as the storage goes, both have 512GB of internal storage, which can be expanded with an SD card on the Mate X, but you cannot do this with Samsung Galaxy Fold. Now for the cameras, we have 3 cameras on the Huawei Mate X with 40, 16 and 8 megapixels, and on the Samsung Fold we have 6 cameras. Yes, 6 cameras on the Samsung Fold. A 10 megapixel selfie camera on the cover, 2 cameras of 10 megapixel and 8 megapixel as a front camera on the tablet mode, and triple cameras of 16, 12 and another 12 megapixels. And to give juice to these devices, we have 4500 mAh battery on the Mate X and we have 4380 mAh battery on the Samsung Fold. So those were the specs rundown of both of these devices, but if you want to purchase these devices, you can do that from the links down below in the description. No, just kidding. But you can buy anything from the Amazon links down below in the description to support the channel. But as far as the pricing is concerned, both of these devices will be available in mid-2019 for a price of $2,500 for Mate X and $2,000 for the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Now if you ask me my opinions on these devices, I think it's a great direction we are heading toward as of 2019. Soon we will get to enjoy two devices at a cost of one. One is a regular smartphone and second is a tablet. But as of now this is very early to adapt onto something like this, and not everyone have this kind of money to burn on a smartphone. So I will wait till it get better and affordable. So that was my comparison of the Huawei Mate X and the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.